Get you?
So, don't take them all.
Yeah. Bye. Bye. Is that Ginger?
This is Christmas, right?
Carols.
Yeah.
And there's Christmas or Thanksgiving or something at your house too.
Come on up here, Ginger. Come on up here. Come on. Come on. Come up here and get your ball. Come on. Here, you
What'd you do, huh?
Give me the ball. Come on. Give me the ball. Come on. Get the ball.
Did I take that? I can't remember if I did or Greg did. But I got one from you guys that
Where'd it go?
Come on, Ginger. Give me the ball. Come on. Give me the ball. Come on. Come on. Give me the ball. Throw it to Ginger.
Is that 120 took you?
Yeah. Throw it to Ginger. Throw it to Ginger.
You know? Some of them came out really good.
Well, throw the ball.
Who's sitting on the other side of mine? See his pants, I can't see that ball.
Throw her the ball.
Who is that?
You didn't want to do that, did you, huh?
Well, I thought his legs was here.
No, give me the ball.
God, that one Tony took at me.
Throw the ball.
I was wondering if you saw that. Didn't that come out good? You can tell him what he took.
Throw it to Ginger. Throw it to Ginger.
Throw the ball.
These are all the ones you saw.
Yeah. He got the ball. He got the ball. Come on.
I can't remember who I gave the first.
Back up here.
We got some good ones.
There it is.
See that lipstick on the side of her face? My sister Kathy was at my house and kissed her. She got big lips, see? Big. No mouth. No.
Wow. There, pull that one out.
And finally, after really spending a lot of time, I found out through the government that he
You
was
like to
one of
pinch. She likes to pinch, don't she?
in Iraq
Grandma don't like you to
and
pinch.
was assassinated on the
What?
street. Didn't while he was in the CIA.
Get a lot of hair,
That's
huh?
all we knew.
Getting it.
So we couldn't find
You're
out.
getting it.
There was no-
Yeah.
Just said that yes, he was assassinated. That's all. But this picture
Starting to get along, ain't it?
also carries Brownie
Starting to get along, ain't it?
with me all the time, and when I wasn't too busy, I'd take some pictures.
Here you are.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Got that EF flashing on. Does that mean it's getting
One
low?
of the other fellows.
Yeah, it means it's very low. Means like you better shut it off.
What?
Watch out, you won't hurt yourself. Careful. I'll get you. Get her feet. Good, get her feet. Good, get her feet. Get your feet. Get your feet.
weighs 22 pounds.
Get
tired
her,
of it.
get her, get her.
Yeah,
Get her. It's gonna get your grandpa's back too.
Yeah, you getting tired of it.
Quit.
Wasn't that
Pull your
fun?
back out.
Yeah, you gonna fall over?
What? Yeah. Oh, you're gonna stand up big, huh? Look at her.
Huh?
Look at her try to stand up.
What happened?
Whoa!
What happened to my chair?
You lost.
What happened to my chair? You tell Tony to get me out of